Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another review for Kads stamping plates. Now this time I'm going to be reviewing their Kads Nature 010. As you guys can see, it's a layering plate and it's a really cute bug insect plate. So I'm going to be showing you how to use this plate and what kind of designs you can create. So let me start by showing you the many I created. So it looks like this, and it's a very cute one. I will show you how I did this. Here's the cricket. No, that's not a cricket, that's a grasshopper. Alright, so let me just show you from up close. Here are all the designs. Alright, so I'm going to be using some pop sticks that I already have prepared. I'm going to use some random colors of stamping polish, and the final stamp I'm going to use the black. I'm going to use a clear stamper. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so I'm done stamping all the designs. Now for my nails, I think you guys are able to notice that I actually stamped black on the top. So what I did on the plate, I did this, and then I got the image from here with the black polish just to make it pop more. You don't have to do that. Now this, you can create reverse stamping just like I did. I know I didn't do like a really nice job, but I was just trying to show you guys really fast how you guys can do reverse stamping with that image, or just stamp the whole thing and just leave it alone. It's up to you. Now if you want to create this mani, it's really easy. You don't really have to do much other than, let me just show you. So this is what I did. I just grab a brush, tap a little bit of stamping polish, and then I just did this. I know it doesn't look so nice right now, but it will look better. Let's grab the pink. And that's how I created my mani. Nothing special. And then I top coat, and then I use some of this NYZ New York matte me crazy to make, instead of shiny I wanted matte, so that's what I used. And it actually looks really nice, so I really like these plates. This is a very cute plate. I really like the bugs. I think my least favorite bug is probably this one, because it doesn't look so funny like the rest, but all the rest, you guys are super cute. Hold on. There you go. They are really cute. So hope you guys like this mani. Hope you guys like this review. I'm gonna leave all the information for you guys on the description box, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.